Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single champion to prioritize because concentrated resources speed progress. Once picked, collect XP potions and enough silver. These pay for level ups and gear upgrades. Make sure you also reserve the specific ascension materials needed, since promotion gates block progress until you have them. Begin by running easy campaign stages for steady XP and usable gear. Then use potions to top off levels. This avoids wasting drops and keeps resource efficiency high. Once your champion is at a stable foundation, alternate potion use with campaign farming to prevent overflow. This conserves XP. Prioritize gear. Upgrade a few pieces to +12 that amplify main stats, because a high main stat often outperforms many small bonuses. At the same time, invest in essential skill upgrades that materially change performance. However, make sure the silver cost aligns with expected power gains. This balanced approach maximizes combat effectiveness without burning through resources prematurely. To finish, perform the promotion once you have all materials and reach the level cap. Promotion unlocks major stat boosts, so confirm the star rank before committing. After promotion, re-evaluate artifacts and reslot or further upgrade gear that now synergizes with the champion's new stats. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by auditing your resource flow, track XP potions, silver, and material drop rates, and then shift to the best farming nodes or repeatable activities that reliably supply what you lack. That fixes most bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.